Us today. My name is Larry C, and if you're watching for the first time, kindly click the subscribe button and please share this video.
The hospitals will be empty when everyone knows this. A single cup is enough to cleanse the liver and skin. This is the most complete of all. For this tip, we will need to cut up a purple onion. The onion is extremely rich in antioxidants, which will contribute for a long time to reduce cholesterol and triglycerides. For this recipe we will also need 2 lemons. We will cut them into small pieces. Lemon is a powerful natural antibiotic, thanks to its high content of vitamin C, which helps to increase our body's defenses. Finally, we'll add 2 cloves of garlic and 300 milliliters of water. We'll let it boil for about 10 minutes. If you want, you can sweeten it with a spoon of honey, although I recommend taking it unsweetened. You will take this on an empty stomach 3 times for a week, and you will see how all the bad stuff you will discard in the urine. Thank you for watching so far. Tell me your city, so I can send you a hug in the next video. Bye.